Napansin niyo ba minsan si Lord sasadyain talagang i-detour ka? Pag-aantayin ka talaga. Amen? Hindi dahil brutal ang Diyos. Hindi dahil cruel ang Panginoon. Katulad ng mga Israelites, nung sila'y lumabas sa Egypt, inintensyon ng Lord na hindi sila padaanin sa shortcut. Although may shortcut. Kasi hindi lahat ng short route, right route. Alright? So God intentionally brought them into a longer route. Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi dun sa short route, maraming kalaban. They have been a slave for 400 years. They don't know how to fight. Wala silang coach, wala silang training. It is a disaster kung papadaanin sila ng Lord sa short route. Kaya wag na wag mong pagdududahan ng Panginoon at wag na wag kang bibitaw sa Panginoon porket dinelay ka ng Diyos. Kasi alam ng Diyos na kapag shortcut niya yan, mapapahama ka lang. Na minsan may mga sarili tayong plano sa buhay natin na I was supposed to be an accomplished entrepreneur. I was supposed to be married by now. I was supposed to have millions in bank account right now. Ang dami natin mga supposed. I was supposed to have this. I was supposed to be enjoying the fruits of my labor. I should be in the promised land. And to your surprise, nasaan ka? Wilderness. Pero hindi ibig sabihin walang malasakit at pakialam ang Panginoon sa'yo.